Guys, welcome back to another vlog. So for today, I think I'm doing a day in my life today, probably. Today I just have to like really clean my room. It's not that dirty, honestly. Like I keep my room pretty neat. I do. But yeah, I just have a lot of like, not a lot, but there's dust in my room. So once in a while I just like clean the surfaces, like disinfect everything. And the main thing I have to do today is basically clean my sheets and my clothes because it's been a while and I'm due. And yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing today. So expect a lot of montage in this one because I don't know how much I'll be talking. Anyways, you guys know I'm not a big talker unless like I'm really passionate about something. But today we're just cleaning, so there's not much to do. And yeah, that's why like you saw me, I was just cleaning out my bed. So I already have some sheets in the wash. Also the thing is like I don't have spare sheets, so whenever I clean, like the same sheets are going back in my bed. So I do, but like they're like really thick and they're not really for the summer, so I tend to use like the same ones again. But anyways, it's so hot outside, and that like I'll just put it outside for like an hour, half an hour in order to be dry, so it's fine. Yeah, that's what we're doing today. So you guys are just gonna see me clean my room, only my room. Like I might clean upstairs and everything, but I don't like showing the house too much because the house is pretty like a model house, so I don't want people to know like where I live and shit like that. So yeah, yeah, that's what we're doing today. Sorry if I look crusty. I'm gonna look crusty throughout the video because that's how I look like when I clean. Yeah, but I did wash my face, so be happy about that. I did wash my face. So yeah, that's all I'm doing today. Well, there's one load in the wash. I'm just gonna, I guess, eat a little bit because I'm hungry. And yeah, just so you guys know, what I'm reading right now is Beachz by Sarah Simone. This is one of the hottest book I ever read in my life. It is so, I don't even know how to describe it. It's just so like intense and sexy and just like really passionate, like lust. And it's just like, oh my god, like it's so good, but like it's so good, but like I don't know, it's like not much is happening, but it's really good. Like it's weird. Yeah, Beachz by Sarah Simone. If you guys wanted to know my read, what I'm reading lately, like I finished Welcome to the Dark Side like after my last vlog. Like I finished it like a couple days after because I was kind of taking my time, so I was busy, so I didn't have time to read. But this one I'm almost done. I'm on page like 3 something, so I have like maybe 60 page or like 60 to 70 page left to read. And yeah, it's the kind of book like I would say you need to like ease yourself into. So if you guys never read like any like romance, you know what kind of romance I'm talking about, books, I wouldn't just jump into this one. But yeah, I don't know, just let me know in the comments if you guys are interested and I'll let you know what I mean. Yeah, that's my read of the week. I'm almost done. I'll probably be done like in 2 or 3 days because I have a lot of like editing to do. And yeah, also today I am uploading a video, so if you guys haven't watched it, please go and watch it. I'll actually probably have 2 videos before this one, so maybe I'll link them down below for you guys so you can like check it out, or just go by your own means and go and check them out. It will be like a get ready with me and another vlog. Well, Yeah, so that's it for right now. So I'm just gonna go make myself some fries, and yeah, I'm just gonna wait for my first wash to be done so I can do this one, and then I'm gonna hop in the clothes. When I'm gonna be ready to do the clothes, that's when I'm gonna like wipe everything and take out all of the dust in my room. There's not much dust, honestly. I'm talking as if like it's super dusty, but it's just like I need to wipe it out, like, because even this desk, I haven't washed it since the last time I did a makeup tutorial. I don't know what happened, but it's like super like dirty. I don't even know what it is. So anyways, So I am almost done. I done my washing. I'm just waiting for it to dry. They're outside right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to like put them back in my closet. So now it's like 4:30. I'm gonna upload my video that I said I was gonna upload today. And yeah, that's it. So like I said, if you guys haven't watched my video, because by the time you guys see this video, it'll be up. Actually, I might even have 2 videos before this one. So I'll link them down below so you guys can go and check it out, or you guys can just go and check it out if you are interested. And yeah, so pretty much all I have to do, because I'm pretty much done. I broomed, I wiped, I cleaned, and yeah, that's it. Sorry if I look grimy, but this is what happens when I clean. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna wait for my clothes to be dry, and now I'm gonna upload my video, because already 4:30, and usually I try to like upload my videos like between 5 and 6, and lately YouTube's kind of slow when it comes to uploading. Maybe it's my internet, I don't know, but I don't know, sometimes it takes me like an hour to upload a video when it used to take me like half an hour. So kind of sucks, but that's the thing. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I was only cleaning, but I hope you guys still enjoyed it. I know some people love that. I do love it too. And yeah, that's it. So I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.